Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Had a little startle when I pulled into the park today and pulled right in facing a police cruiser. Thankfully he was just a canine unit, he was walking his dog, so he took off. So I'll probably show you that right now. Okay, so this is an open tag VR to my buddy Dean, my down under brother from Australia. Orion is his channel. I will link it in the description. And this is knives that make you happy. And since I love knives and they make me happy, I thought, yeah, I could do this. Let's just dive right in. Alright, so first knife is it's not so much the butcher knife from Old Hickory from Condor. What really makes me happy, so here's the thing, I like the knife, but I love this sheath. This is a buddy of mine made this, and I will link all the info in the description for his Etsy page. He makes some really nice stuff, but he made this for me to go with the Old Hickory because it didn't come with a sheath, and I just love this sheath. In fact, sometimes I'll go into my room to grab something or do something, and I'll actually just pull it out and admire it. I'm kind of a weirdo like that, but it has seen some use, but I haven't rotated in it in a while, but I think I'm going to start wearing it again on a few outings. It's a really good knife. Really good knife, but I love that sheath. Okay. Now the next two might be a little confusing, because effectively they're the same knife. It's the LT Wright GNS, and this is the one I bought first, which, you know, I was going to wipe them off before I turned the camera on, and foolishly didn't. Now, the difference between these knives is, you know, I bought this one myself, the GNS, which needs to be cleaned. Yeah, I bought this one myself, and it's seen a good amount of use in the woods. This one was actually a gift from my brother Malcolm at the Hidden Woodsman, because we're Facebook buddies, and he posted a photo on it. You got the blue liners, the blue paracord. I just dig the color, and I jokingly said I posted a meme, which I'll just roll in here. So he said, yeah, I'll go ahead and send it to you. And I'm like, no, I was just kidding, bro. And he goes, no, I mean, when I moved into my condo, he said, consider it a housewarming gift. So, yeah, I love this knife, and the value on it, for me, skyrockets, because it was given to me by a friend. So, wouldn't trade it or get rid of it for any reason. So I tend to carry these. I use this mostly for my Fatwood Fridays. But I've carried them both into the woods because I'm not a collector of knives. I like to get knives and use them. So that's 3 of them. And then we have the Mora Bushcraft Black. Had this for a while. Seen a lot of use. Now I do some day hiking on my page, so this is often a knife I'll grab when I go day hiking because it's robust enough to do what I need, but it's also, you know, not overly heavy. Like the next knife I'm going to show you. Yeah, I love the Mora Bushcraft Black. It's a great blade. In fact, I was just commenting today. Also needs to be wiped off, but I was commenting today on Facebook that, you know, I have to work all weekend coming up, so maybe I'll go buy myself a new knife. Just, you know, a little treat for myself. And then finally, probably no surprise, the BK7 is probably my favorite. I don't take it out every trip. It just depends on what I'm doing. But I just love the sheath from Grizzly Outdoors. It's just been a champ. No issues. I got a sail needle taped to the back, which I've never used. Ferro rod, which I actually haven't used because I always carry lots of other ferro rods. I just love this knife. It's got a lot of wear and tear. I got a 710 custom sheath handles on here, which I put on. I ordered them, he sent them to me, I put them on myself, and then I sharpened it. I left the coating on because I don't mind the coating. In fact, I think it gives it a lot of character. The little blemishes. It's seen a lot of use. And I was actually having a Facebook discussion with somebody, a couple of people actually. We were talking about knives and value. And I commented, I wouldn't get rid of this I wouldn't sell this for $500. And they told me I was an idiot. But I said, but it's got sentimental value. And sentimental value is priceless. Yeah, I could go buy more. But, if anything happened to it, I would absolutely go replace it. And I'd probably go ahead and replace the sheath and the handles again. But, just because it's been such a great knife. And I just have loved it. It's good, feels good in the hand. It's not, it's right at that perfect cusp of not too big but not too small. It's a great chopper, great batoner. Seen a lot of use, been in a lot of videos. If I'm going out in the national forest, I'm going to be doing some heavy woodwork. This is often the knife I'll take. So, BK7. And then finally, I'm going to throw a little honorable mention because I always carry this in the woods with me. And that is my Spyderco Endura 4. I love this knife, although I got to clean it as well. Been really busy, but I kind of just forget about it when I get home. I got to wipe all the... This is my food prep knife, specifically for food. So it's probably got some food on there, but my thought is if I'm out in the woods and I'm hacking up like toxic plants with my knife, I don't want to be cutting my food with a knife I was just cutting toxic plants with and then putting it in my mouth. Could get you sick, give you stomach ache, give you the squirts, make you throw up, whatever. So I always have a dedicated knife in my pocket for food, and because I love to carry knives, I always have no problem carrying it. I know a lot of people don't like folders, but I love the blue color. I love the way it looks. It's a great food knife. It's a little honorable mention for that. And